brother's 64 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. It's like a cousin to an Impala. Has the same roof line, windows. The person that restored this car, they took the Oldsmobile emblems off of it, so if you didn't just know what it was, it'd be kind of hard to tell. But they have the seats recovered and it's in pretty good shape. Right now it's got an Impala steering wheel in it. He's getting his worked on. You can see it's completely different in the inside than the Impalas were. Has push button heater controls. Has a 394 engine in it. All of them had it, and it's automatic. They call it a Slim Jim transmission. Here's the engine. It hasn't been restored under the hood. Still the stock original way. Put a new radiator.